Plant FAQs, Caladium candidum. What is Caladium candidum? There's a certain magic to plants that defy expectations. The Caladium candidum, with its immaculate white leaves and emerald veins, is one such anomaly. In a world of vibrantly colored caladiums, the candidum stands out, offering a serene elegance that transcends trends. For years, I've been captivated by this caladium. Its presence transforms any shady corner into a moonlit haven. And the best part? It's surprisingly easy to cultivate, making it perfect for both seasoned gardeners and curious novices like myself. Here, I'll share my experiences and everything I've learned about caring for this captivating plant. See more 19 species in genus Caladium at monsteraholic.com. How to grow Caladium candidum. The key to a thriving Caladium candidum lies in understanding its natural habitat. It hails from the tropical rainforests of South America, where it thrives in dappled sunlight and consistently moist soil. Recreating these conditions indoors or outdoors is the secret to success. Light. While most caladiums enjoy some direct sun, the candidum prefers filtered light or partial shade. Harsh afternoon sun can scorch the delicate white leaves. Soil, a well-draining but consistently moist potting mix, is ideal. A mixture of potting soil, perlite, and organic matter like compost will provide the necessary drainage and moisture retention. Watering. Regular watering is crucial, especially during the growing season, spring and summer. Aim to keep the soil evenly moist, but not soggy. Sticking your finger into the soil and watering when the top inch feels dry is a good rule of thumb. Temperature and humidity. Caladium candidum thrives in warm temperatures, ideally between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. They also appreciate high humidity levels. Grouping your caladium with other humidity-loving plants or using a pebble tray filled with water can help create a more humid environment. Fertilizing. During the growing season, a light feeding of a balanced liquid fertilizer every 2 to 4 weeks can be beneficial. However, avoid over-fertilizing, as it can damage the roots. Who first introduced Caladium candidum? Pinpointing the exact person who first introduced the Caladium candidum is a challenge. Caladiums, in general, were introduced to Europe from South America in the late 18th century. However, with numerous species and cultivars, pinpointing the origin of the candidum specifically becomes difficult. What we do know is that caladiums, including the candidum, captured the imagination of European plant enthusiasts. They were prized for their unique foliage and became popular additions to greenhouses and conservatories. Over time, hybridization led to a wider variety of caladiums, including the candidum's dwarf cousin, the Caladium candidum junior, also known as angel wings. Additional tips for Caladium candidum care. Dormancy. As the days shorten and temperatures cool and fall, your Caladium candidum will enter a dormant period. Watering can be reduced significantly, and the foliage may die back. Don't panic. Simply cut back the dead leaves and store the tuber, bulb, in a cool, dark location with some ventilation. Come spring, resume watering and watch your caladium awaken with fresh, stunning foliage. Pests and diseases. Thankfully, Caladium candidum is relatively pest and disease resistant. However, keep an eye out for mealybugs and scale, which can be treated with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Fungal diseases can occur due to overwatering. Ensure proper drainage and avoid wetting the leaves directly. Propagation. Caladium candidum can be propagated by division of the tubers in spring. Each eye on the tuber has the potential to grow into a new plant. Caladium candidum, a focal point or companion. The Caladium candidum's elegant presence makes it a stunning focal point in any shady container or garden bed. Pair it with ferns or other shade-loving plants for a lush, tropical feel. For a more dramatic effect, consider planting it amongst caladiums with contrasting colored foliage. Deep reds, purples, or even pinks can create a striking juxtaposition against the candidum's pristine white. Caladium candidum versus White Christmas. Unlike the Caladium candidum, which bears a striking resemblance, the Caladium White Christmas showcases delicate, almost parchment-like leaves. These leaves possess a lower green content compared to my experience with the former, and intriguingly, they also display subtle pink hues in certain areas. The Caladium candidum is more than just a beautiful plant. It's a conversation starter. Its unique appearance never fails to draw curious glances. So, if you're looking for a plant that adds a touch of sophistication and a dash of the unexpected to your space, the Caladium candidum is the perfect choice.